Well, today we got a 2020 Dodge Challenger. We are going to install an amplifier, 2400 watt kickers. We're going to be installing using a OFC zero gauge wire right here. That's OFC, oxygen free. So we're going to use LC2I Pro for here, and I'll show you the amp later. We're going to run out a bass knob control. So first of all, we'll just want to make sure this got an amplifier or not, a factory amplifier or not. So it should be right here. We're gonna check it and see if it's got it. I'm just gonna remove this out anyway by prying this out right here. Gotta be careful right there. Break easy right there. You know, the customer, they love this stuff. So yep, go easy. See that? Fragile. Yep, see? Once you got a little bit out of it, it's easy. And I'm afraid I break it too, so yep. I might have to use my hand and grab them. Basically, grab your hand is probably better. You got a good grip right here and pull it. Easy too. And right here, do not yank it too high. It's gonna break. So now once you got this out, you wanna pry this out too, right here, see? Right there. Right here. Oh, we have to be careful. Once you get this out, you're gonna have to pry that right here, starting from top to bottom. So guys, I just found out there's no amplifier. I'm looking at it right now. There's no amplifier, so we're just gonna tap it to here from the speaker. We could do it from there in the back, but yeah, I thought there's an amplifier. There's no amplifier, so it's not a waste of time. I'm gonna run the bass control using this plug right there. It's a phone jacks. I'm gonna run to here, and I'm gonna put the bass knob control somewhere here. I'm not gonna try to screw anything on here yet until the customer say yes. But yeah, there's no amplifier. Amplifier should be in there. Most likely I'm gonna have to take it out anyway, because I'm installing a wiper 1 mile range LCD. So I removed 2 screws right here, and I popped this clip out, and everything made it easy right here. You can literally don't have to take that out. You can go see this wire right here. It's coming down here right here. You see this? You can take a blade and scrape, take the tape out, or you can come over here like I did, and you want to hook it up to, you can T-tab it, or you can tab it however you want to do it. I'm using a T-tab, and I love this T-tab. I've been using it for 20-something years. I got people say, oh, you shouldn't use that. The T-tab I'll be using, I'll show you after I'm done. So I got it as, you can see this is a speaker wire. Red is positive, black is negative. I'm running it down here. I'm gonna T-tab it like so. So I got gray and violet. So go right here and then use apply and crimp it. So as you can see right here, everything really tight. It's not one of them U-Haul T-tab basically. So it's really tight. I mean, it's better than stripping it and tape it and all that good stuff. This is perfect. I never have no problems. Been 20-something years. I always use this and never have a problem. So if someone disagree with that, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. So basically, I got red to the red is positive to the gray, violet or purple. Gray yellow is to the black, and then run it all back. See, this is all the speakers on here. Usually they have an amp right here, a factory amp. So this is where you tap everything to on almost any car with an amp. So I'm using a ferrule right here. It's a zero gauge ferrule. I'm using, this is an oxygen free. So OFC, and then the ground, I got the, I don't have to do this on this brand, but I'm gonna show you anyway with the remote. You just plug the remote to the remote, and then you got ground to ground, and then power from the battery over there to here. Everything's gonna be running from the back, and except the speaker, we ran it to the front speaker. So we got power, ground, and the remote right here. And I did the ground out here. If you're looking at it right here, I made a bolt. I use a bolt right there. So this is something, if I do something at 2400 watt or above, I'm gonna use a bolt instead of a self tapper screw. So now I'm gonna plug it in.